Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the calculator buttons are blank in Windows 11, 10. First method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Calculator. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Installed Apps, type Calculator, click Uninstall. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Type Calculator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.